Good afternoon everyone. For today's video, I cooking a banana and tilapia fish. But today, I want to thank you for Fall because he's sending me the software things in my YouTube channel and he first membership in my channel, guys. Thank you so much, Paul. Then you sending again the money for the loan people for me. Thank you again. Then now I'm doing the cooking vlog. Then you can see here, guys, I have a banana here. It's called saba. Then I have a oil here, the leftover before I cooking a banana Q. Then here, guys, I show you what I'm cooking here today. It's a tilapia fish. Look at that. It's so bigger. It's from the river, guys. It's catching my older brother there together, John Mark. I think so. I'm not sure, but for now I need to clean this first before I need to fry it, before I fry that. Look at this. So guys, ito na yung lilinisan natin na tilapia fish. 3 piraso to siya, guys. Yan, sisimulan natin linisin. Medyo matagal to, guys. Kaliskisan medyo malaki kasi. Pero ano pa to siya, fresh. Kasi bagong huli. Then ngayon, guys, dun sa market, if magpunta ka ng bayan magbili ng isda, medyo kamahalan ng presyo because suwandi eh. Kaya ito, guys, pre-ulam to, pre-ulam. Kailangan lang lutuin. Oh. Guys, tapos na ako maglinis ng tilapia, guys. Yan, makikita nyo. Nilagyan ko na yan siya ng unting magic sarap at saka asin. Then yan, mamaya yung saging babalatan natin. Pagkatapos prito nito, guys, piprituhin rin natin yung saging mamaya para pang merienda. Then ngayon, guys, magpapaapoy na ako dito, guys. Yan. Yan yung kahoy kain na ng mga pinuputol ko kain na, guys. Hindi ko lang napakita sa inyo. Doon nang galing yung iba. Yan, dyan. Dyan nang galing yung kahoy. Then ngayon, guys, magpapaapoy muna ako. Then tingnan nyo, guys, nasugatan pa ako ng tinik ng isda, natusok yung kamay ko, grabing dugo. Pero okay naman, guys, kasi nalagyan ko na ng band-aid. Yan na, guys, nakasalang na yung kawali. Then makikita nyo, guys, yan na nagsisimula na yung apoy, guys. Then mamaya maya lalagyan na natin ng mantika dito, guys, pag medyo mainit na yung kawali. Woo! Guys, yun na yung isda na nilinisan ko kanina na ilagay na sa mantika. Yan, 3 piraso. Then hintayin na lang natin mamaya kung ibabaliktad na.
So I'm extremely tired. I've had no sleep, but I'm still going to try and do this. Like, Anne's going to completely probably... She's also tired too. So I've watched her do this. She cuts off the top like that. Does that and then like cuts down. I think. Yeah, something like that. Maybe that's kind of right.
You need to do this like that and like that. Then you do this. Then looking good.
Yeah. You know how I'm like supportive, but with stuff that you do.
Guys, yun na yung dalawang tilapia na na-prito. Then yung sa kabila niya guys, nadurog. Medyo na ilagay ko siguro na hindi pa mainit yung mantika guys. Pero yan guys, tingnan nyo naman, medyo okay rin naman. Then yan yung isa guys, tinanggal ko kanina kasi nga hindi masyadong kasi sa kawali. Yan na guys yung panglas na tilapia na piniprito ko guys. Then yan na guys, kanina si Dilon yung nagbabalat ng saging, then si John Mark na naman ngayon. Guys, ito na yung ating i-prepare na naman saging. Yan, kailangan ibaliktad agad. Sobrang lakas na kasi ng apple guys, at saka mainit na yung mantika. Kaya kailangan mo ibaliktad ka agad. Bilis lang maluto pag nagluluto ka ito guys sa kahoy. Ito na yung ibang na prito ko guys. Yan. Then ito hanguin natin.
It smells nice.
Yeah. Then this one.
Yeah, I'm just looking. The light is like there, maybe. I don't know, maybe it's better here.
You want to try a banana?
Maybe soon.
Okay.
Oh no! Shit! Don't, Rose. Be nice, like, come on now, love. Don't be. Come on, right, get out of the way. It's hers, isn't it? It's so hot that no one wants to eat it. She's gonna bite you, dude, if you do that. Don't you know? Just stay away. I'm so tired. But do like a cartoon version of this so I don't look
like,
stupid.
No, I'm just only me na lang because I don't want to cartoon. You don't like it?
I don't look good.
Up
so.
a little bit. Yeah. Oh, it's okay na.
Yeah, here guys, look what Anne got for £1. This shoe rack, or the Shopee, including delivery, £1. Can't believe that.
Guys, yan, tapos na ako magluto guys ng itong tilapia. Yan, then saging. Yan, pritong saging. Yan ang merienda namin ngayon guys. Then yan, si John Mark dito. Then pinapatawag ko yung papa ko na magmerienda rin yan. May ketchup rin kami dito guys. Then ito guys yung mga pinanggamit namin ng mga ano doon sa dirty kitchen. Abot na. Guys, magkakain na kami ng aming merienda. Yan, tilapia na prito, then saging. Yan ang papa ko guys. Yan, si Delon at saka si John Mark. That's it.
God, I look so fucking tired now.
It na Delon.
Man. Sorry, like. Is there a wee bit of fish to take up? You pick me off a bit, love. Hey. Oh, what the heck? Like automatic video recording? I didn't do that.
Say hi.
I did that on its own. That's nuts, man. Yo, let's try this stuff out. On its own, al dente. That is great. Love that, man.
Kain guys. Yan. Crunchy guys. Crunchy and yummy. Then yan guys, parating
Yes.
ang aking kapatid. Mary Joy.
Kalalaki ng ano ah. Sino naguli niya? Nakauli?
Ay, Meng Meng.
Sino nakauli niya?
Kuya.
Nalawak na araw yung ano niya. Kung hindi lang yung muli niya. Yan ba ang ganda?
Pwede.
Ano kayo? Yan.
No?
Mga wheel.
Grabe kalalaki. Si Junjun, sabi mo Junjun, ikaw nakauli.
Sent my dad to catch the fish in the river. Like that. But using the, what was that? Kawil?
A fishing rod?
Yeah, fishing rod.
John Mark told me.
But John Mark, he catching the small fish like dilis. Like that small.
Okay. Did you already eat them?
I don't know. Maybe cooking in the river, I think.
Today?
Yeah.
Really? Oh, class. I look forward to see that.
Ano yan to? Tilapia lahat yan?
Hmm.
Bakit parang kalalaki masyado?
Ewan ko.
Ayoko.
Kirby don't like tilapia.
Me, I eat that. You, nothing you eat. Ano daw?
Oh, like a cake?
Hindi niya alam kung ano sinasabi niya. Pulbong
There's not enough glasses. I'll get as much as I can.
Ano pa ka doon ng baso badot?
Wait.
It's okay, John Mark. I made you getting a glass there.
Okay.
Kuha ka ng baso, mag-inom tayo ng coke.
Yun. Pakibilisan.
Lucy,
Four here, actually, like.
bigatin guys yung mga alaga ating pusa.
It is your tilapia. This is, what is the tilapia? Is the fish?
Yan guys, mag-coke kami. Ang aming merinda. Tilapia, banana, and coke.
Because Anne is monetizing, is coming.
This is it. This is the video.
Yeah.
She's like 200 hours away. Or
Please
something.
watch guys and subscribe and comment. Because soon I get a monetization.
Already.
Nearly.
If you're watching this 6 months later, for sure. Yeah. Why you keep on getting scratches on your face?
Time.
Hey!
Where's my joy?
She went to get glasses.
Maybe she don't want cook.
Maybe not. John Mark and I take Mary Joy's coke. We share it.
My dad got a picture. Selfie.
Sige.
Denmark. It's so far. You live there in Denmark.
Stop it, love. Don't scratch me.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Put banana in my tooth.
Oh no, it
Is
doesn't
there
know.
banana in my tooth?
Not, I don't know, nothing showing. My not that saying to.
Oh no, nothing cook na. Sorry.
done.
That's done.
Ikaw lang ang kasi walang ano.
Ayun oh, isang baso pang
Saan? Oh, yan. May asin yan. May titira kay mother and kay John Mark. Ay, kay John Mark, kay Tuntun. Del. Saan, oh? Nice.
No. So many bone.
Yeah. What he said.
Look at this, guys.
You're lucky, Lucia. I feel like eating them.
Tanggalin mo yung buto bago kainin niya.
Yung?
Buto, sa iba, yan, tanggalin mo yan. Hilain mo, huwag ganyanin. Yan. Para maganda ka. Yan. Huwag ganyan niya kainin.
God, her neck's got weird.
You should like this, you eat your rails. But be careful in the neck, the bone. You bite that.
Really?
Yeah.
Right, mate. You
good.
keep it. I already kind of caught it anyway.
It's okay.
Get it there? Okay.
Need to...
I can't. I'm looking to make sure it looks okay
Oh,
because
okay.
I'm tired.
Careful, ah.
Wow. Chill me, man. She's like you. That's what you were doing a minute ago. Nom, 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 nom.
What's up? So guys, tapos na kami mag-snacks. Then ngayon, ito na yung aking ginagawa. Yan, sinasahuran ko yung tubig. Yung tumbler namin, sinasahuran ko ng tubig guys. Kasi nga, baka magulan-ulan na naman dito kasi mayroong bagyo na pumasok na sa Pilipinas, yung bagyong Yuan. Then, kailangan natin mag-stock ng tubig. Yan, ngayon ang lakas ng tubig ngayon. Yan, medyo mapupuno na. Yan, si Lucy guys, yan o mayroong tubig, nag-inom na dyan ng tubig. Then, dito guys, tingnan nyo yung ano ni Dilon. Yan, yung takore namin guys, nag-iinit siya guys ng tubig kasi walang kuryente. Di mag-ano siya, magagawa ng coffee and tea. Then magkukuha ako guys ng ano guys, ng aming mga sinampay doon guys sa sampayan doon. Ibang sinampay namin nilagay ko kasi doon guys para mabilis matuyo. Yan ang aming aso dito guys, si Cookie. Then yan guys, yan yung nilalagyan namin ng tubig. Yan, pero si Cookie guys, yan, nagiinom ng tubig. Yan, gustong gusto niya yan. Pero minsan, nagiinom sila guys ng tubig sa labas. Minsan doon sa parents ko yan. Magko-coffee si Delon.
I'll make you this one.
No, I don't like that.
It's alright.
So
sweet.
strong.
Ah, trust me, it'll be good. Look.
No. Oh, yan guys, tignan mo. Gustong gusto niya mag-inom ng tubig. Pero yung ibang aso guys, hindi mahilig sa tubig guys. Minsan yan si Lucy, minsan doon sa may namin siya shower area, minsan may mga tubig doon. Doon ang trip niyang inuman guys minsan. Where's the basket here? This one. Yan guys, ito na yung basket guys na dala-dala ko guys kasi nga magkukuha tayo ng mga sinampay guys doon guys. Oh. Kuha tayo ng mga sinampay. Yan. Tingnan nyo guys. Medyo ano na. Paggabi na guys yan. Wala nang araw. Mukhang uulan yan si John Mark guys. Naglalakad. Then yan guys yung mga sinampay. Dito ko sinampay kasi wala pa kaming sampayan. Kukunin na natin to guys. Yan. Diyan ko lang ilagay. Yan mga ano namin, mga damit. Mga short. Then para mamaya itutupi ko na to guys. Ay! Sitawan ng parents ko guys yan. Yan ang bahay ng lula ko guys yan. Then meron na yan dyan nakatira guys, yung mama ng asawa ng pinsan ko guys, dyan nakatira. Yan sa bahay ng lula ko. Yan guys, sobrang usok pero makikita nyo yung takore ngayon. Kumukulo na yan guys yung tubig guys. Kikita nyo yan. Yan. Pag walang kuryente, dito kami nagluluto guys sa dirty kitchen. Mabilisan na pagluto guys. Kasi nga, pag maraming kahoy, malingas yan siya guys. Saglit ka lang makaluto dyan guys. Then yan guys, makikita nyo yung panahon. Mukhang uulan na naman guys. Yan. Oh no.
What's up? We need this part. Okay.
Sige. Yan na guys,
Just start
nagagawa
off
na
with
siya.
that part. Sorry.
It's
What?
okay.
Yeah, no, I have to just start off by doing that. And then
Okay.
this gets set down, but
Mine?
I'm
Where's
stuck.
mine?
yours is that one.
Why
Yeah,
not
you
put
get
the
more,
water?
And then you only get a little bit of coffee at the end, like, and a bit of milk.
No coffee in this one?
Oh no, it's okay. Like,
No.
you'll be alright.
Then yan na guys. Hintayin na lang to guys. Lagyan ulit mamaya ng tubig. Yan na kay John Mark. Then kay Delon din sa akin guys. Mga kababayan ko dito sa Pilipinas, sana mag-ingat tayong lahat kasi alam natin ngayon ay merong bagyo. Then sana lahat tayo ay ligtas. Then guys, hanggang dito na lang yung aking video. Thank you so much for watching. Then please like, share and comment. Bye guys!